What's going on YouTube? Cooper Brown coming at you with another video on how to get more sales during the summer slowdown on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I sell on all three. I've been reselling for about 2 years now, making a full-time living selling online. And every time this year rolls around during the summer, sales start to get a little bit slower. It can be a little bit frustrating, but I want to go over some tips that I have written down here on how to increase your sales during this summer slowdown. Starting with tip number one, and I think this is very important because it can increase your cash flow, is to clearance out all of your items that are going out of season or that are out of season. For example, this could be jeans, this could be jackets, anything winter related. I know I have a lot of jackets still. A lot of people like to sell jackets, but when summer rolls around, people aren't looking to buy jackets as much. They're not going to buy jackets until Q3 and Q4 of this year. So in my opinion, you should lower the prices on those, try to clearance them out. You might take a little less net profit on those or even break even, but with that money you're getting back, you can reinvest it into items that will sell during the summer slowdown. Awesome tip right there. I highly encourage you to give that a try. Tip number two, kind of relating to the first tip, is to research and post in-season items. You really need to know what sells during the summertime. When you're going out thrifting or sourcing however you want, don't be going all in on jackets, jeans, winter wear, snow boots. Instead, go into things like shorts, swimwear, sunglasses, golf shoes, golf apparel, things that people want to buy during the summer. I would go on eBay, go on Amazon, look what's trending right now, sales-wise. You can go on these sites, look what's hot, and you can try to find those items to sell. I guarantee if you focus on in-trend seasonal items, your sell-through rate's going to go up. Very smart strategy there. Tip number three, if you're on eBay, I highly recommend to increase your promoted listing percentage. A lot of people are hesitant to do this because they don't want to give more money in fees to eBay. They already take some fees away, but it's been shown that promoted listings definitely do help boost your sales. I usually run between 1% and 2% in promoted listings. So in the summer, if it's slow, if I'm having a slow week, I might put all my listings to 2% and just instead of 1%. Or if I've had items I'm trying to clearance out, I might go up to 3 to 5% just to get more clicks, get more views on those items. Pretty much any item, the higher percentage you do, the more views you're going to get, the more likely you're going to make the sale. You might net a little bit less, but making that sale is more important than netting just a little bit more, in my opinion, especially when it's slow. It'll definitely help boost your sales. And then my last pro tip, which is super underrated and is a huge benefit no matter what time of year, but especially during the summer, is to adjust listings as much as you can. Go back and review your items. Check to make sure the titles are all filled out properly, all the specific item categories are filled out properly, and adjust your prices. Most big time sellers I know, they try to go through all their listings at least once a month. This not only makes your items look more valuable or makes them look more accurate if you had errors in your listing and whatnot, but it makes a significant impact in your listings rankings in the algorithm, in the search algorithm, definitely for eBay. It happens all the time when I go through and edit old listings, change some title, change the little keywords in the title around, or just change prices. I just happen to make a sale here and there on a couple of items that I went through and messed up with and just changed different words around or whatnot. Every time I get new offers or full ass prices on items that weren't getting any attention for a month or more. It's such a hack. You need to do it. You need to give it a try. It might be a little bit of a pain at first, but if you get a system going on how to do it, it'll make a huge impact. So what I do every morning, I usually go through X amount of items every single day. So then throughout the month, I'll touch every single item in my store. So that assures that one item or a handful of items aren't going to be left behind that I won't notice for a long time, and they'll just be sitting there not selling. So make a routine to adjust your listings. prices, titles, keywords, all that stuff. That'll make a huge impact in your summer slowdown sales. Also, the last tip for Poshmark and Mercari, and now eBay, it's starting to become a thing, is send offers to likers. This is huge. Send offers to likers because it'll send them notifications, generate some more interest, offer them a good deal. People will more likely be able to want to pounce on your item. So definitely send offers to likers. And that is all the tips I have for increasing your sales during the summer slowdown. Let me know below which one of those tips you like the best. And if you have any tips yourself, if you can drop some knowledge in the comment section, that would be much appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some value. Let's get those summer sales back on track. It's not going to last forever. The summer slowdown is going to end. I also view the summertime as a great opportunity to grow your store because you might not be selling as much as you want to, but that gives you more time to list more items and build your inventory. And all that work you put in now is you're gonna reap huge rewards in Q3 and Q4 for all the work you're putting in now, and you're just gonna be mind blown with how your sales are gonna explode when it starts to pick back up. So that's my motivation for you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.